Welcome, replayers. Woo! 1334, you're looking mighty weak. Woo! 1334, looking mighty weak. Looking mighty weak there, 1334. Philanthropist, what's up, guys? What's up, Albert? I got a few emails from you guys. How, man? How? I scoped at 3 a.m. You guys should be up since... everything since 3 a.m. should be nothing but profits, man. We took everything but the kitchen sink this evening. Oh, gotcha, bud. We took a short here, 50... Guys, we were up 80 pips shorting at 1365. And then I wanted to get some work done. Look at, we're continuing. Prime took this all down. If I would have stayed in the market, you know, it would have been another 30 pips. We would be up 110 pips right now. But I told you guys, look at this level, man. This 1334. Oh, gotcha. Yeah, no airplane trades here, man. We want repeatable... We want repeatable trades. Repeatable trades. Guys, this 1334 level, woo, when this goes, there's no support. I told you guys this. Remember, this is the 1 hour chart here. This is what the daily looks like. You see that support? Man, oh man. Euro looking weak in the knees. The euro is looking like Jodeci is serenading the euro right now. I'm telling you, this is not good, guys. I told you that the euro is looking weak. Our reward is to the downside. Remember, I've been saying for the past few days, reward is on the downside. Reward is on the downside for the euro. Risk is to the upside. The only question right here is 1335 going to offer a little bit of hope for the euro, and our buyer's going to step in. Our buyer's going to step in at 1335. Well, it looks like some of them have. They might not be looking at the daily chart, though. I'm telling you, these guys are not looking at the daily chart. Anybody who's buying at this level is not playing the daily chart. They're playing intraday, and this level at 1335 will pop. It will drop. What up, young? So, guys, here's the deal. I already got a few emails this morning. If you're interested in being one of the beta users, and not so much a beta because I've been beta testing this for the past 2 years, but if you want to be an initial user of FX Prime, email me at info@fitbusinessman.com. 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 Easy to remember. Just introduce yourself. Tell me what your Periscope handle is, so this way I can at least make relation between your Periscope and your email.
My students believe that they can change the world, and it's my job to help them.
So, you see, guys, buyers stepping in at 1335. But I'll tell you what. Those buyers might already be selling right now, because they're not playing the daily chart. They're not. And so we may see that there's some support at this level. But good morning, Troy. What's up? Yes, I just got your email. Don't worry. I'm still coding, but I wanted to show you guys. Like I'm always watching the markets. I'm always on the markets, and so. We took our out at 1365 because we're already up 80 pips for the day. You know, you have to know when to step away from the markets. And of course, myself, I'm just watching it for entertainment at this point. Just watching to make sure that Prime is making the correct decisions. And took a very nice short here. So, guys, what we're watching for the rest of the day is this 1335 level, 1334. The price is likely going to come back down and test pretty soon, especially within the hour. I imagine this 1335 level will test within the hour. Of course, we are trading based upon prime. I would never take a trade based on a hunch, but I can tell you from experience that when a candle tests a level like this, and the daily with prime is still showing that there is a short on the daily, we will retest this level within the same candle, if not the next candle. So the people that are buying, that stepped in and bought at this 1335 level in the euro, they're not playing this on a daily candle. They're not. This is intraday. So that's how a lot of beginners get suckered in to taking a nice long position here, right? They say, oh, well, this fib level held. It's time to take a nice long position. And there you see you have Eddie Murphy telling you to get the fuck out of the market. That's actually what that was. That's a soundbite that I have programmed into the system. Because who doesn't like Eddie Murphy in trading places? Anyways, when you have Eddie Murphy coaching you on how to trade, then you know you're in the good. You know it's all good. But guys, we're seriously looking at this 1335 level. ISM, non-manufacturing, came in at 10 o'clock and offered an idea of where the risk is really at. A lot of people are sensing risk in the system. We just had that Panama report released. People are not looking at world leaders with any type of leadership capabilities. There's a lot of mistrust in the markets. There's a lot of mistrust in the political atmospheres and all of that. So we have a bunch of negativity in the market. And the euro is not going to be able to hold. So, again, guys, when I tell you that the risk is to the downside, if that means that you do not take any upside trades at all, then do that. Okay, because the daily has already fired off to the downside. And so, all of our reward, for the most part, if we are measuring risk versus reward, most of that reward is going to be to the downside. And that may mean you have to wait half the day or a day to enter a position to the downside. But we keep that in the back of our mind, especially if you're not winning as a trader right now. You got to sit on your hands for quite a bit of time to wait for things to align. And that's where you strike. You strike when everything aligns. Alright? So if you're not trading on the prime system and you're not getting real-time alerts as to when positions are changing, okay, then you've got to play it really, really smart. And you've got to really, really hedge your risk. And you do that by not taking very large positions. Team Prosper, what's up? You don't take very large positions, and you do that by following a system that's winning. Lots of retracement on this. You see that? So this is the 1 hour candle. If we even break it down to the 20, you're going to see why that retracement's occurring. Or 15, rather. See how close we came to that fib? 2 pips away from the fib. Pretty awesome, right? Alright, so 15-minute candle, where will it be? Will it fire off long? We do have short-term strength in the market, but like I said, that's not on a daily. That's not on a daily. Back to the 1 hour. So, guys, listen up. If you're interested in taking FX Prime for a spin as one of the first people to be getting live alerts from the system, email me, info@fitbusinessman.com. info@fitbusinessman.com. If you're interested in taking pips from the market on a daily basis and becoming a pip killer. Alright, guys? So, just wanted to show you guys that update, how volatility acts. with the ISM non-manufacturing, exactly what Prime called to the downside. Looking good. Looking good. We were up 80 pips before 9 a.m. today, guys. Actually, before 9:15 a.m. we were up 80 pips. So, even though I wasn't in this, Prime did call the correct direction. Just making note of that. Alright? So, once again, if you guys are interested in being one of the first people to actually get live alerts from the Prime system, email me, info@fitbusinessman.com. info@fitbusinessman.com. Alright, guys? I'll pop on later in the day. Ciao.